Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change my password on AliExpress. Now, here's how you can change your password in AliExpress web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser and navigate to the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. Then, once you log into your account, click on the account icon once you launch into the AliExpress website, click on the account icon at the top right corner of the page and log in with your current account credentials. After logging in, like we have here, just hover over to the account icon again, which is here. And you're going to see a couple of options displayed from the drop-down menu, including My Orders, My Coins, Message Center, Payment, Wishlist, My Coupons, all the way down to Accessibility, which is the last option from the drop-down menu. Now go ahead and click on My Orders from the drop-down menu. And after doing that, it's going to take you right into the account window, which is here. Okay, so from the left sidebar, you're definitely going to look for an option that says settings. Now go ahead and click on settings. Now I'd like you to know that apart from My Orders, you can just click on any other option that takes you into the account dashboard. Once you're in the account dashboard, you'll be able to get into settings. But an easiest way to do that is once you click on the drop down menu, you can just go ahead and click on settings from the options in there if you don't want to go through this process. But it's still pretty much the same thing. But now that we're in settings, just head over to the settings window where you have a couple of categories, including personal information, security information, activate email notifications, you have privacy, and of course you have safety filter and for social media account. So for you to change the password in this account settings section, head over to security information, and right under the security information you find this change password hyperlink. Now go ahead and click on change password, and that's going to take you to an entirely different tab, or it's going to open a new tab and open a new window. From there we're going to see what to do next. So here you're prompted to verify your email again because AliExpress is security conscious. Now they have sent a mail to you. Now go to your mail and enter your 6-digit code that has been emailed to you. And once that's done, remember the timer is counting down. All right, the timer is getting lower. After verifying, go ahead and click on this verify button. Now, once you're done clicking on the verify button, the next prompt you're going to get is to enter your current password. For security purposes, type in your existing password, and after entering your current password, you'll be asked to type in a new password. Now enter the new password and confirm it by retyping it in the confirmation field. And once you've filled in the new password, go ahead and click on save or submit to apply the changes. And you should see a confirmation message that your password has been successfully updated. And if you get logged out after changing your password, you can log back in using your new credentials. And that's it. That's how you can change your password on AliExpress web app. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.